Hi tutor, my name is Joana Barbosa Joya. I am studying public accounting and in the course English B2 in the grade 9. Okay, let's start about the importance of technology. Okay, I consider that technology is very relevant to humanity because with technology we can communicate with other people. In this time is very important the technology because the telework we can also study online, send document quickly, sell and buy products online, and also facilitate daily tasks. Okay, now about consequences of technology. From my point of view, the misuse of technology is killing our planet. I believe that of the negative consequences are global warming, environmental damage, degradation of land, poverty, natural resources scarcity. Okay. For example, the car, the motorcycle, the big industry emit poison gases that ozone layer. Okay, tutorial, I am finished. Bye bye. Thank you.